Hi everybody, I'm Mike Martin here today with a Do You Know video, and this is going to be about German wines, specifically white wines, and I'm going to pretty much talk about the Riesling grape. But first off, for Germany, the major grapes are, of course, Riesling, which is mostly planted, and then there's Müller-Thurgau, there's Sylvaner, there's Pinot Gris, Pinot Blanc, and some Kerner and some Gewürztraminer. Those are the major grapes, but I'm going to pretty much focus on the German white Riesling grape today and the different levels of ripeness. First off, the Cabernet wine, which you see, is the first level, and these are kind of fruity, less ripe wines, and these are sort of in the $15 to $25 range. These are the simplest form, and then as we move to a later harvest pick, we'll move to Spätlese. Okay, and that literally means late picked, and you'll get a more full-bodied, richer style wine with these, and more aromas and flavors. Then the next level would be Auslese, okay, and this means out-picked. So they're actually sourcing grapes that are even riper. So we're picking later and later here. An Auslese typically runs around $40, $45, $50. This is a very good producer, all three of these, Jojo Prum. And also, these three wines can be produced dry or sweet. So it just depends on the style the winemaker wants. Next, after the Auslese, would be a BA, or Beer and Auslese. I don't have one of those to show today, but Beer and Auslese, and then the Trockenbeer and Auslese, what you're seeing now, is also very sweet. Both of these wines are affected by botrytis, which is a noble rot, and they're very, very intense dessert wines. And this one that you're looking at right now actually sells for about $360, and they typically come in half bottles. Last, and I don't have an example right now, would have been the ice wine, and these are basically probably the most popular of the sweet wines. And these wines are pressed with grapes that are frozen on the vine. So they pick early in the morning or late at night when the grapes are actually frozen, and then they press and they make the wine. So these are the 6 categories that you'll mostly see in the store, and these are the better quality wines. So also, one of the things, a term that's important, you'll see Trocken sometimes, which will mean dry, Halbtrocken, which means off-dry, kind of a medium dry. So those are the 2 other specific words that you should know. So hopefully this kind of clarifies a little bit about the German wines. I know they're difficult, but hopefully this helped. Thanks.